skyscraper
Uy, may
was
alas
built
ako,
so
ate.
tall that it was court ordered to remove
Sinabas.
20 floors
Sinapaw
after it
mo
was
eh.
already built.
Uy, kahit
This
sinapaw
is
ko, may alas
200
ako,
Amsterdam, a
Oh, yun na, binigay na.
668-foot luxury tower on the Upper West Side. But the way it gotta be that tall, let's just say
Dito
they
ho,
didn't follow
meron
the
ho
playbook.
dito na
The
ganon,
developers found a
ganon.
zoning loophole where instead of building a
Tawag
one big
na,
piece of land,
calling
they stitched
na.
together a bunch of tiny pieces from all over the
Nakakita
block.
kita sa
Some of these
Mandaluyong.
lots were next to each other.
Kama ano,
Connected
nag-bubyo ano
only on
ko,
paper,
bablog
but
ako.
combining them, they were able to claim more height for the building. Way more
Kaya
than
nga,
what
collab
people
nga eh,
would
kaya
allow,
collab eh.
technically.
Kaya hindi bawal yun, kailangan ng sarili mo.
But it definitely bent them. And
Ganon?
that's what made
Sa
it so
kanya
controversial.
nag-message niya
The
eh, sa
backlash
ano,
hit hard. Neighbors
Ah?
were furious, calling the building as a
Ganun ba
threat
talaga?
to the entire neighborhood. They said it
Facebook
would
na
cast
lang.
a huge shadow over
Ay,
the
collab
park's
YouTube.
history, push
Si
property
ano,
values
si
to the roof,
Ninang Binay mo, panalo.
of the